Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload pictures on Pinterest. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open the Pinterest application. So the procedure will be same on iOS and Android as well. So you can see at the bottom center, there is a little plus icon. I will tap on this plus icon and it gives me a bunch of different options, and what we want to do for this picture is to tap on this pin where it says pin. Now it will give us the ability to add a picture as a pin. I'm going to choose this picture as a pin and I will tap the next at the very top right here. Now it gives us the ability to give the pin a title. We can title it whatever we want. You can add a description whatever you want. You can add a link here, and then you can change the publish date to say sometime in the future, so you can schedule this pin to be published in the future. And of course you can pick a board. As you can see, you can pick a board or you can create a new board as well. If I tap on this create board, I can add a title like this, and as you can see, I can make the secret board as well or make it public. It's up to you. I'm going to make it secret and then hit create here. So now it's creating a new board and I'm uploading the picture as a pin. To be able to see this pin, I will tap on my profile icon at the bottom right, and now as you can see, there is our pin we have just recently posted, and it is that one photo that I just uploaded. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.